So according to the guideline of this hit app, the these kind of iconic landmarks can be represented wholly by an image. Like if you put Eiffel Tower, or from my place, uh, Eden Gardens, Kolkata. It's an iconic place. So whenever you enter Eden Gardens, Kolkata, the first thing is in your mind that to see how Eden Garden looks, right? So it looks like that. These are the image answers. So this query can, if suppose you don't have this portion, but your intent can be satisfied by only watching that how the Eden Garden looks. So that means this query has a strong intent, strong image intent. That is, according to the guideline, the whole stuff or whole query can be answered by a single image or multiple image. Sometimes user put this kind of horrifying queries like beheading. So I don't know uh, what kind of people are putting this kind of queries, that he or she want to know about more about beheading. So that is the other issue. But sometimes people from medical background, they want to know about various surgical procedures. So it is good for medical people, but it is not good for common people. Okay, so it is a kind of a visually disturbing. What is a specified here? A visually disturbing element. So this kind of query can be satisfied by image, but that image is visually disturbing. So in that case, you just need to rate as harmful to show level. Okay. um, Another is that medium intent. Medium intent means that, like, uh, sometimes like we like this medium intent. You can see here that if you want to know more about Eden Gardens, like when Eden Gardens established, so in that case the picture of Eden Garden is good, but in that but you need a textual explanation from Wikipedia or from some other website. So it is kind of a mixture of an image as well as textual information. So this kind of information, this kind of query is a medium intent query, where the query can't be satisfied by only uh, giving the images. You have to provide the textual information also. Okay. Another thing is that no intent. Like, no intent means no image is required. Like navigational, including adult. Download. Suppose we want to download Google Chrome. So you can see that the download links are showing. So is it image? Is this image can be is this query can be satisfied by images? No, obviously no. You need the download link, right, to download the software. You don't need to show any images for this. So this is absolutely no intent, right? Explicit video intent, like let's put another query, video of nature, the first one. So here the user intent is specified in the query. It is video, not an image. So this kind of explicitly mentioned video, this word is not satisfied with images. So it will fall into no intent category. So like informational without visual intent. So who is the first president of India? Let's put it. Who is the first president of, okay, there are images. See, Rajendra Prasad. So you don't need any image for that. It will, it is better to have an image of Rajendra Prasad, but the intent of the query is to know about the information. It is not about the pictures of Rajendra Prasad. It is not mentioned like that. If it is mentioned like that, pictures of Rajendra Prasad, then obviously this query is can be satisfied only by showing the images of Rajendra Prasad. So this is the thing. If you shopping or buying intent, is no intent. So the trick is that you need to first research the query. You need to find the intent of the query. Then after on the basis of that intent, you need to consult these guidelines again. Like after research, you find that it is about iconic landmarks. So you need to consult this guideline, and from this iconic landmark, it falls in strong intent level, right? So according to the guideline, you just rate, you just label that question. See here you can you have an example of this, like user just put a query here, and web answer is this, but this is the image answer, right? And this is the web answer. If mixture of these two satisfy the query, that is, to satisfy the query you need both image and web answer, then it is medium intent. If only image is necessary, it is strong intent. If it is harmful to view, then just tag it as harmful to view. And if only web answer is necessary, you don't need any image, then that is no intent. So that is the summary of this ETAP. Okay, if you find this video good, you like it, you just press the like button. You need to share this video to your friends and families, and if you want to know more about the heat apps, tutorials, clarifications, then you just need to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this and have a great day.